Today I make a cover for a vase or a jar to make it just a bit more beautiful. You can use any size of vase or jar you want, only then you need more or less yarn than me. I use this time to thank all my subscribers. You make me want to keep coming up with new patterns and I feel supported by you guys, so thank you very much. I also see a lot of viewers, around 90%, who aren't subscribed yet to my channel. So if you like what you see, and if you like what I do, I would like it if you subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell. And if you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments down below. So, enough talk, let's start. You can use any scrap yarn you have in your stash. I use a number 3 cotton yarn in the color light gray and a 4mm crochet hook. Just pick the hook size recommended on the yarn label to start with. Of course, you need a glass vase or jar. Mine has a diameter of about 3 inches, but you can use any size you want. We start by making a chain, and the number of chains must be divisible by 6 and fits tightly around the jar or vase. It's better a little too tight and loose, because by working up your pattern it stretches a bit and then it looks a lot nicer. Close the chain with a slip stitch, make sure the chain isn't twisted. And a little tip, if your chain is just a bit too loose, then try a hook half a size smaller, and if your chain is just a little too tight, then take a half size bigger. This way you don't have to make 6 chains more or less, and your work just becomes a little bit looser or a little bit tighter. So that's just a quick tip. Let's begin. So we start with a slip knot on our hook, and then we begin to chain. Your chain needs to be divisible by 6, so just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep adding up, adding 6 stitches at a time, and then every once in a while check. This is too short, of course, but check if your work fits around the vase. If you do, then you have enough stitches, or vary it in the hook size to get your desired fit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So keep working until your chain is long enough, and then I'll meet you back. Okay, I made 42 stitches, so my chain fits tightly around my vase, so I can close my chain with a slip stitch. So make sure your chain isn't twisted, and then close your chain with a slip stitch in the first chain you made. And then we can start our stitch pattern. Okay, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 counts as your first double crochet, and this counts as your first double crochet in every round. So we always start with a chain 3, and this always counts as your first double crochet. Then let me see if my chain isn't towards it. No, it isn't. Okay, then skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third we make 5 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, and the last in this stitch number 5. Okay, so we made a chain 3, a chain 3, that's our beginning double crochet, skip 2 chain, and then in the 2 chains, and then in the third chain we make 5 double crochet. Yarn over, skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and in the third chain we make 1 double crochet. So 1 double crochet, yarn over, skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third we make 5 double crochet again. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then yarn over, skip 2, 1, 2, and in the third we make 1 double crochet. And make sure you twist your chain while working, because otherwise your work on top will be twisted as well. So repeat this all the way around. So 1 double crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochet, skip 2, 1 double crochet, skip 2, 5 double crochet, and so on. So all the way around, and I'll meet you back when I am at the end of this round. I finished my round 1 and I end with 5 double crochet, and now I need to close my round with a slip stitch in the third chain from the beginning chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and in this next chain we make a slip stitch. So this is our round 1 done. For round 2 we chained 3, 2, and 3. So this is our first double crochet, and then we make 2 more double crochet in this stitch. So 1 and 2. So this is half of the shell, and we finish the shell when we are at the end of this round. So 3 double crochet in this first, and then we go to the middle, double crochet of the fan of the shell. So the middle, 1, 2, 3, and in the third double crochet we make 1 double crochet. Then yarn over, and we go to the next single double crochet. So yarn over and make 5 double crochet in this stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now yarn over and make 1 double crochet in the middle of the shell, in the double crochet in the middle. So 1, 2, 3. In this stitch we make 1 double crochet, and then yarn over, and in the single double crochet in between the 2 shells we make 5 double crochet again. So in this double crochet we make 5. Four, and the last 5. Then 1 double crochet in the middle of the shell. So in the middle double crochet we make a 1 double crochet, and then 5 double crochet on top of the double crochet in between the shells. So alternate 1 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 5 double crochet all the way around, and I'll meet you back when I'm at the beginning of this round again. I just made my last double crochet in the middle of the shell, and now I need to finish this first shell. We already have 3, so we make 2 more double crochet in this first stitch to finish our shell. So yarn over, insert in this first stitch and make 2 more double crochet. And then close our round with a 1, 2, 3 slip stitch in the 3rd chain from the beginning chain 3. And here is your round 2 done. You can see if your work fits, just to make sure you are on the right track. So my work fits. Glad it fits. And then start with round 3. For round 3 we make a chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This is your first double crochet, and this double crochet is in the middle of the fan, in the middle of the shell. So in this we jump from this to the double crochet in between the 2 shells, and we make 5 double crochet in this stitch. Then yarn over, and in the middle double crochet of the shell we make 1 double crochet, and then jump to the double crochet in between the shell stitches and make 5 double crochet in this stitch. And you see this is every round the same. And then in the middle of the shell, in the middle double crochet, we make 1 double crochet. So this is your repeat for the whole pattern. So repeat rounds 2 and 3 until your work is the height you like. So I work up round 3, and then I'll meet you back when I'm at the end of this round so I can show you how to close, and then you can just keep on working. Okay, I'm at the end of round 3, and now I close my round with a slip stitch in the 3rd, 1, 2, 3, 3rd chain from the beginning chain 3, and then my round 3 is done. So repeat rounds 2 and 3 as many times as you need to get the height you like. So if you want a small band, you can make 1 more round. If you want to cover up the whole vase, then make as many rounds as necessary to cover up your vase or your jar. So I work up mine, and I'll meet you back when mine is the right size for me. Okay, my cover is high enough. I think it covers a nice part of the vase. So I cut my yarn, bind off, weave in my ends, and you can make a border on top. I like it straight, just the way it is, but if you think it is nicer to border it up, you can choose any border you like. So cut your yarn. So cut your yarn, bind off, weave in your end, and then put it around your vase. And you can put it all the way to the bottom, or you can leave some space on the bottom. That's just what you prefer. Do what you like. And this was it for this time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell, give me a thumbs up if you like this project. I like to read your comments, so would you like to share something nice, leave it in the comments down below. Until next time.